Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the device is awake and the app is visible. This prevents accidental gestures. Once ready, position your finger on the icon near the top edge, not on the bezel. Apply a light press, hold for short 0. 2-0. 5-second pause so the OS registers intent, then pull straight down. You do this to reveal a contextual menu or quick action. Make sure to keep the motion vertical for accuracy and avoid diagonal drags that trigger scrolling instead. Once the icon begins to move, control matters. Maintain a steady downward speed so the interface shows the expected preview or quick actions. You'll see visual cues, opacity change, elevation, or a small pop-up, so use those signals to know when to stop. If you want the pop-up to stick, increase pressure slightly. If you need to cancel, ease your finger up and release. This lets you choose actions without fully opening the app and gives you precision when multiple options populate. To finish, slide until the option you want is highlighted and then release. The OS will perform that quick action. If the pull-down doesn't respond, retry with a slightly longer 0. 5-1. 0-second press and a more deliberate vertical pull because timing is often the issue. If problems persist, make sure gestures are enabled in settings, restart the app, or reboot the device. One key troubleshooting tip: clear screen protectors or heavy gloves can stop the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.